Okay, so I wanted to talk a little bit about this corner feet drilling jig. It's from Crafted Elements. It's pretty easy and convenient to use. Plus, it's affordable. So you can basically what you do is you put it on the corner of your charcuterie board or your cutting board, and you take your 7/64 drill bit and you drill a hole in a little pilot hole, and then you go ahead and attach your feet. And basically, that's what I did here. Is I think I went 1 inch in and attach the foot. And it's pretty easy and convenient. You can make this yourself if you wanted to. I think it would be pretty easy to make. And if you're a woodworker and you like making your own jigs, then this is something that's not for you. But if time is money and your time is precious, I think I paid $10 for this. It's very easy to use. I would recommend it. It's pretty solid. You can see how thick it is. So I would definitely say if you make a lot of cutting boards or charcuterie boards and you put feet on them, this is something that you definitely want to get. Unless you make your own jig. But me personally, I don't have the time for it. So my time is limited. I got a wife and 2 kids and a dog and a full-time job. So the time that I have in my wood shop is limited. So that's why that's convenient for me. But that is it. I do recommend something like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. How do I turn this thing off?